Team 405. We're gonna do some blindfolded center line sparring. Clay's gonna throw punches at me full force, right to the center, right in here to here. And I'm gonna deflect and blindfold it. Go ahead, cuz. As you can see, I can't see. All I'm gonna do is go exactly on field. Practicing a style that no longer is practiced, Wing Chun. Ready?